the classic series of the PurHeart water filter. It's very simple. Unscrew the top, place the filter to the bottom, screw it tight, and then screw it onto the filter container, and it's almost done. And you have all this attachment to attach to your tap. As long as the tap is round, you can use it. This is the washer. Place the washer on top. Screw it tight. This is the tap head, alright, and just get a good fit. And it's done. So, for normal water usage, for washing your plates, you just use it as normal. But if you want filtered water that has antibacterial properties and the water to taste better, all you need to do is turn the lever upwards, and you have clean water.